Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anwar Rashid. You can call me Aan. I'm from University of Malang in Biology Educational Program. And today, in the class of teaching biology in English, I want to share you about what I get in the video that already Miss Leliser previous week. The first one, I know about analysis terms here. So we must to analyze the two terms in biological and pedagogical. The first one is from biological terms. After all of the video, I know about some new information or new terms that I get. The first one is fungus. The second one is spores. The fungus is any of a group of spore-producing organism feeding and organic matter. So that's it, including mold, yeast, mushroom, and toadstool. And the second one is spores. Spores is a minute opening in a surface, especially the skin or integument of an organism, through which gases, liquid, or microscopic particle that can pass through the pores. And the next one is osculum. Osculum is a large aperture in a sponge through which water is expelled. So osculum is like a mouth, yeah. It's expel the water. And the next one is Cnidaria. Cnidarian is an aquatic invertebrate animal of the phylum. Cnidaria is compressed in Coelenterata. Yes. And the next one is polyps. Polyps is a non-motile cylindrical body and tongue stalk. It is in Hydra. And the next one is in tentacles. Tentacles is a slender, flexible limb or appendix in an animal. So it's especially around the mouth of an invertebrate. So it's especially the around mouth of invertebrate. Is used for grasping, moving, and bearing sense of organs. So it can be sense organs too. The next one is phylums. Worms is about a major group of animals in some classification plan, sharing one of more fundamental characteristics that set them apart from all other animals and plants, and forming a primary category of the animal or plant kingdom. So what I can tell you in this video is I want to resume. I want to make it more simple. That what I get, it's maybe what I get is more about terms in biological and pedagogical. So the next one is flatworms and planarians, where flatworms is a phylum worms that includes in planarians. It's together like parasitic flukes and tapeworms. They are distinguished by having a simple flattened body. So it's a more flattened body and have less or lax blood vessels. So it not have or lax blood vessels. And the digestive tract, which is present, has a single opening. So in digestive tract, it's only have a single open, so just one opening, right? At the planarians, the second is a free-living flatworms which has a three-branch intestines, a tubular pharynx, and located halfway down the body. So it's just halfway down the body. And the next one is sponge, tapeworms, and the others is flukes, ocelomates, platyhelminthes, cells, tryphoblastic, endoderms, mesoderm, ectoderms, cylindrical, digestive tract, and others. That is what I get in biological terms that I get from that video. So I just want to resume and make it more simple. And the next one is pedagogical terms. In the pedagogical terms is I have three terms. The first one is learning objective. The learning objective is a statement that defines what students are expected to learn. And the second one is hands-on activities. Hands-on activities is relating to being or providing direct practical experience in the operation of functional or something. And the last one from pedagogical experience is inquiry-based learning, where inquiry-based learning is form of active learning that start by posing questions, problems, or scenario. It contrasts with traditional education, which generally relies on the teacher pacing. So it's contrast about traditional learning, and we search for facts and their knowledge about the subject. Maybe that's it for me. Thank you for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.